Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Got some GeoGuessr for you today because it's been at least a week now with the release of my 16-bit album. Hope you've all enjoyed that. Thanks to all of those who have bought it. If you haven't seen it, do check it out. But I'm back on the geotips website on the world records page because I couldn't keep away. I beat one record, one of the more obscure ones that was a bit more suited to me, the UK country streaks. But I've noticed a couple of blank sections that have been added because of the new diverse world map, which is this one, which is just now called a diverse world. So he's changed the name, so this is now the standard one. The old one is called old, okay? And I've hardly played this. I think I might have inadvertently played it over the last couple of weeks, but I've hardly played it. 50k plus locations. Thank you, Mapper, for making these amazing maps. So let's get a post. Hopefully, let's get a score up on this page. No moving, scrolling, or zooming, or no moving, panning, or zooming, as it's widely known outside of my channel. Let's get a score on there. Hopefully, it'll be respectable enough so that the creator of this website, the guy who or girl who updates it, goes, okay, we'll put that on. So I'm aiming for 23,000. It probably won't be up there for long, but hey, I think this is my best bet of getting a record on there, one that's never been done. So here we go. Diverse world. Let's full screen. Let's play. No time limit. Definitely not. No moving, panning, or zooming. There it is. I can now select that function. And let's go. Right. Whew. Okay. Is that girl African? I don't think we're in Africa. But it's a girl. She's got short hair. She is kind of dark. Not that dark. But that, I have to say, is quite a tough one. We can't really see where the sun is, but it seems to be... Ah, yes, we can see down here. Oh. The shadow from the, well, from the girl and from this post. He's telling me that the sun is north, which is no surprise. Does look southern hemisphere. I think I've got to go. Wow, 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 wow. What am I thinking here? I think we're driving on the left as well, judging by that sign. So yeah, despite the lack of sort of barbed wire around everything, the houses, I think I do have to go for South Africa. Down here somewhere. Yeah, nice. That's pretty. That's a great way to start. 4725. I went down there because it was so sort of green and luscious, and you get these mountains, these kind of shelved off mountains. But what did confuse me was the lack of, barbed wire fences around the houses. But I guess they were quite small and remote. Next one, James Monroe Highway. And it's the blue signs, which we can see there on the right hand side. I think Canada. I've got to go for Canada. I'm still not sure about these blue signs versus, green ones. But James Monroe Highway. I'm going to go here in Canada. Right, okay. So totally wrong about that then. But luckily I'm not too far away. 3700. I went pretty far south in Canada. and pretty east, and as a result, I'm not a million miles away. Oh, as I suspected, as I feared, you can get the blue signs in both America and Canada. There's maybe you can tell the shape if you really know your stuff. Clearly, I don't. Next one. Okay. Okay, could this be... Could it be Romania? I think so. I think so. Could it be Ukraine? Yes, but I think more likely Romania. Somewhere sort of along here somewhere I'm going to go. It was Ukraine. Bit to the north, 3957. You know, not a bad points haul again, but I think I can do better than this. So can we end on a strong point here? Still got 2 rounds to go. But this is my first attempt. I'll build on this. Okay, I don't know this bin. The yellow and blue bin. I don't think that relates to a country's colours at all. I think I'm going to go northern France here, but that bin is making me think Poland. I am going to go Poland, but it could easily be France or Belgium. Good. I've stuck to my guns and I've gone Poland, and it's another 4,000 pointer and 9. Last one. Okay. Are we driving? I think we're in the Philippines, but I'm not sure. Brooks PT branch. Oh, hey. That's pretty Filipino. So let's go for it. Let's go Philippines, and I'm going to go fairly far south. Let's go here. That's not too bad. Is that the Philippines? Who owns that? Brooks Point. Yeah, I think that's Philippines, to be fair, judging by the Spanish, etc. God, look at these sprattly islands. They are so remote. Right, 3728. Let's view the summary. So 20,119 is my first attempt. But I'm going to try again. I'm going to do better than that. Okay, here we go again. 20,119 to beat. I can tell you it's proving slightly tricky. I think that was a fairly favourable seed, but we can do it. Here's my latest attempt. Okay, we're driving on the left. I think it's a low down camera. I can't really tell, but it's got to be Japan. Whereabouts? I think fairly far south, but not outrageously so. I think somewhere down the middle. In fact, are there any traffic lights? No. Okay. No, I don't think it is outrageously far south. I'm going to go around here somewhere. It was fairly far south. 3743, not a great score to begin with. And that puts us behind a bit. We've got to hope that the other rounds are much better. Here's our next one. Right. down there we've got some flags. They're red, almost with a slight bit of black on, which could signify Albania, but I don't think so. I think they're more likely Swiss flags, and we can't see the white, purely judging on the sizes of the mountains over there. So I'm going to go Switzerland. I'm going to go fairly far south in Switzerland. Down here somewhere. There you go. That's a lot better. Over by Sion. Overlooking where Philippe would have driven me and Greg along this road. Beautiful. 124 miles away. Would have been nice if I'd have just gone down there. Maybe if I'd have studied it a bit more, but never mind. 4486 is much better. That evens things out. But we need to keep even that up. Okay, do I go Japan here again? I think I'm going to go Japan here again, and I'm going to go quite far north this time. I'm going to go over here. Lovely. That's great. 4648. That's exactly what I needed. I was going to click over here, which would have been even better, but I can just be happy to be in Hokkaido. Next one. Right. Is this Japan again? I'm not entirely sure. Could it be South Korea? No, I think this looks like Japan to me. So again, I think I'm going to go in Hokkaido. And I'm going to say, if we're looking at the mountains, the main mountains, we're to the west of them. Let's say that we're down here somewhere. How about that? Ah, damn. That scuppered us. We were much further south, look. On the outskirts of Nagoya, pretty much. Damn. And we can still do it with a perfect score. We can still beat my initial target. I think this is probably Albuquerque or... No, sorry, New Mexico or Utah, Arizona. So we're looking out to the east there at that distinctive looking mountain. Where have we got some mountains around here? Okay, there's some around here. Maybe we can... Let's have a look. It's a very straight road. Arizona. Maybe we can go sort of here. Let's go for that. It's not bad. 4637. It's not bad at all. We were in Utah. Just there, look. View the summary. And it's... I have beaten it. 2357. That's great. That will start things off very nicely. We can call this episode 1 of attempting another world record. No moving, scrolling, zooming. Maybe I'll have to change. Maybe I'll have to succumb to the official labeling of this format. No moving, panning or zooming. Anyway, look, if you're watching guy who runs geotips.net, I don't expect you to put that record on because it's very, very obtainable. 20,357. But basically, next time you watch me, I aim to beat this, and yeah, I'm aiming for at least 23,000, maybe even 24. It's doable. And I'll see you there. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time.